card over there.
It's expensive. Association, so clothes. Ta-da! Bonjour. Welcome back to India to France. Okay, today is one of those days, back-to-back calls, all with students planning to move abroad. And let me tell you, the study abroad wave is real. Love that people are not just scrolling reels but actually taking charge of their future. Makes me feel like a proud long distance mentor. After that, I have to go shopping because apparently I'm that person who remembers essentials only at the last minute. Classic me. Oh, and something big is happening tomorrow. But I'm not gonna tell you now. Stay till the end to find out. Trust me, it's all worth it. But since you're in Paris, it might not be that hot, so it could be manageable. And that's 700 plus 100 euros is your electricity. Can go from 50 to 100, okay? And your SIM card charges 15 euros. Yeah, anywhere from 8 euros to 15 euros.
What is the best SIM card over there?
Slosh.
Orange
Sosh.
or
What is the best way to bag a good discount for your this thing? Keep looking for festivals. So they have summer sale, winter sale, Christmas sale.
okay.
Yeah.
Do you have any?
I'm going to Decathlon, and since I come from a hot country like India, I'm not equipped to go to a cold country because I don't have any gear, and I've been purchasing a lot of items from past 3 weeks and my bank account is drained out. I was thinking whether to buy the ski pants or not, but I think I need it. I'm leaving tomorrow. It's expensive, but one-time investment. But what am I gonna do after this trip with all those items? I mean, I can resell it, but depreciation.
Donc, tac, ça c'est bon. Là, vous pouvez programme fidélité, carte cadeau. Il faut avoir 10 euros, carte cadeau. Réduction de 10 euros.
Reduction possible?
Ouais, avec les points.
Okay.
It's okay? Yeah.
Let me break it to you. I am going to Sweden, and since I've been volunteering to a lot of association that is in my school. So I got this opportunity from the school itself after working for this association. So it is sponsored by that association and the school as well, and they're sending me to this workshop which is happening in Sweden, Kiruna, and it is for 1 week. That's where I'm going tomorrow. So all the shopping, all my digging holes in my pocket, it's for that. So this is the shopping and all the attires that is required. It's on me, but the travel, the accommodation, and the food over there is covered. So yeah, it's a great opportunity. I'll keep you posted, and I am also going to see Northern Lights. I'll make a video on that. For the packing, I have gathered all my items, but I'm missing major thing, that is the thermal top. So I have asked Rahul to help me find. Okay. I always do this at the very last moment. I'm like, Rahul, where is this? Rahul, where is that? Did we find? No. Okay, so before that, let me show you how have I planned my itinerary. Okay, so this is where I have arranged everything. So let me take you through one by one, right? Okay, these are my cosmetics, my moisturizer, some tissues, and my blinds. This is important one. Okay, this is a heating pad, and it can be used with USB type C, and you can also power it using your power bank. So wherever I go, if I feel cold, I'm gonna attach it to my power bank and then put it on myself. So this is useful, and I bought Decathlon Keshwa bag so that if I'm going out in between, so I don't want to carry my entire whole bag. And the very classic one, yay, Maggie everywhere. And two of my glasses, one is Wayfarer and the other one is Aviator, so whatever suits. My tissues, this is my medication, Doliprane, and a lot of other items. Whatever I require, cetirizine. What is this? Okay, this is one bag, jhola, just in case. And my friend Tas here recommended me to carry this one because I have very long layover, so I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. So rather than overthinking, which I usually do, why not I try reading novels? So I've been trying this from very long time to start reading novels, so which is not happening apparently. So Tas told me this novel has very short stories, like 2 or 3 pages, so I can do that. This is my half filled cosmetics. It has lipstick, some face moisturizer, and and this perfume which I just bought today, perfume oil. I'm not really a fan of strong fragrance, but yeah, I need one. Can't be smelling around. And then I have taken 2 topies, and then ear cover, and then I found this Adidas ka cap, which I found extremely beautiful, and I thought it looked good on me. And I think you've already seen me wearing this in this video. So this one, and yay, look at this. Look at this. I'm carrying some packaged food. This is ready to eat tomato rice, ready to eat sambar rice, ready to eat again one more tomato rice, and bhendi masala, and one lemon rice. So I'm carrying all of these. Apart from that, I have taken some Sunrise Nescafe, and then this is this contains jaggery. Okay, I don't really take sugar in my food. I don't like sugar, but I like jaggery. I know most of you might have some comments saying that, yeah, both the glycemic index for both of them are almost equal. Yeah, but I like the taste of jaggery better than sugar. So this is my cardigan, and these are some ski gloves, ski pants, which costed me fortune, 65 euros, 25 euros for this. And merino wool thermal top is 15 euros, bottom is 15 euros. So this is something which I already had. I bought it from Jockey from India. And this is a fleece pant, frilled fleece pant, which I need to wear underneath this ski pant. And another ski pant which I ordered from Temu, it costed me just 6 euros. I mean, guys, 6 euros and 65 euros. Difference. Marketing. It's all because of marketing. I mean, I don't say just because of marketing, it's also the product quality and a lot of other stuff, but definitely marketing as well. So this brand Decathlon, just because I trust you. Okay. Yeah, this and some clothes. I've carried all the knitted sweaters I have in my closet because I think it's going to be extremely cold, maybe between, so the weather that is showing right now, that for the next week it's going to be between -2 to -13 maximum. But however, the lecturers over there, they have recommended us to be prepared for -20 or sometimes -30 as extreme condition as well. So let's trust the experts because they've been staying there from a very long time and I am visiting just for the first time. So I trusted them. And this is what I've carried. Apart from this, yeah, this one. This is what I'm gonna wear. Ski. Rahul, what is this called?
Ski jacket.
Okay, ski jacket.
500.
Yeah, 500. And underneath this, the classic red Decathlon 4-place. This is what I'm gonna wear. So this one is going to give me a coverage of -10 degrees plus this one -5 degrees. So you have it, almost -15 degrees. Apart from this, I've bought these shoes. Again, this costed me, these are the snow boots which costed me 65 euros, and 25 SH500 ka socks for 25 euros. So altogether I think I spent close to 300 on just the clothes. I hope this is useful, and I keep visiting the countries very often which has snows because I really want this to be worth all the money. What do you think? Am I carrying too many things and I've invested too much?
That's why I decided to go for study abroad. So firstly, I had listed 10 countries. Then after looking on, that's why.
Cool, or you want to learn it in a casual, light tone. French language course is really good. The CBFR podcast. I just finished another call with another student who is planning to shift from India to France through his studies. So, yeah. If you have any questions in studying in France, you can book a call with me. So, how do you find the link? Well, go to my YouTube page. In the About section, you'll find this link. Copy that and paste it in your browser. You will land on this website where all the details are mentioned about us and all the services that we offer. One is 30 minutes call where we discuss one or two topics where you have questions about under 30 minutes, and it costs you $13.99. Now, if you have many questions or want to discuss many topics, I suggest you book 1 hour strategy call where we address all those and make the transition easy for you, which costs you $14.99. Let me show you an example to book a call. Suppose you are planning and you are clueless, or you are someone who has a lot of questions. So you select 1 hour strategy call where all the details can be discussed. So you book your call as per your availability and the dates and time mentioned here. Select your time zones from where you're booking this call. For example, this is what I have chosen, and this is the final checkout page. So check your all the details here. Give your details such as name, email ID, and a working phone number. And I have asked certain questions so that I can come prepared for this call and give you the best possible answers to help you. Such as briefly describe your situation. Are you a professional or a student? what is the biggest challenge or the steps you are, maybe language barrier, or you have question about the work permit, or which field you are interested in. Maybe it is finance, marketing, or supply chain, or any other. Now make sure you give a working phone number which is also has WhatsApp enabled, so that I can send out any communication to you, and you can choose to pay me any of these amount if you wish to. And then once you select that, click on confirm and pay. Now you have booked yourself a call with me. Let's make this dream of studying in France a reality. See you soon. Today was extremely hectic, and yesterday I was with my friends spending almost whole night. So I am deprived of sleep right now. Rahul here, on the other hand, made me this. Ta-da! What is this, Rahul?
It was supposed to be egg fried rice, like egg biryani or something, but
What is it now?
It's something.
Okay, something, but it looks
Something.
delicious. And I'm hungry. So I'm also not done packing, and you might ask what is happening here. You know, I'm old, I'm getting old, I'm 30 plus, so I'm getting gray hair these days. So I thought I'll apply hair dye. Okay, so this is it, guys, for this vlog. And if you have any questions regarding your transition from India to France, you can book a call with me. I'll drop the link in the description, and I'll keep you posted about my rest of my journey. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.